Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to keep your ACER Chromebook Spin 713 from sleeping. To do that, first let's open the control center in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select your battery status right here. And after that, select the mode for which you want to change the sleeping settings. So we have plugged in and on battery. So if you, for example, want your device to be awake indefinitely when it's plugged in to the cable, charging cable, and want it to go to sleep after inactivity when it's working on battery to preserve battery life, only change this value from sleep to keep display on. Now, if you don't want to your device to keep display on whether or not the cable is connected to it, select the same option in the second field. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I will see you in the next one.